out of service in Detroit. Pontiac has issued a special marine warning for near shore and open waters from Port St. Luc to Port Huron.
I'm done. I am done.
At 3:16 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Port St. Luc to 15 nautical miles west of Lakeport to 11 nautical miles northwest of New Baltimore, moving east at 35 knots. Hazard, wind gusts,
I'm done.
dust and small hail.
I'm done.
Source, radar. Impact, small craft damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Strong thunderstorms will be near Lexington around 3:20 p.m. Port St. Luc around 3:25 p.m. Lakeport and St. Clair around 3:40 p.m. Port Huron around 3:50 p.m. Other locations impacted by strong thunderstorms include Rickmanville. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 4 p.m. for Monroe.